So our next topic is background. So let us read out this whole paragraph first. You can change the background design of the presentation in many different ways. Changing the background design helps you to highlight the aspects of the presentation. First point, go to background group under the design tab, click on any background style. Second, you will see lots of different background options. Click on any background style to apply it to the entire presentation. So let us see this first with the help of live example. Yes, after clicking on this, see, again we have to click on design tab option. Let me zoom it. This is a design tab option here. You have to click on this option. In this design tab, at the right side, extreme right side, will get this option background style. We have to click on this option. We'll get different types of other background style options. See, now if we are keeping the cursor on blue color, now the background of the slide is changing to blue color. See, again another style, another style. Whichever style you want for background, you can keep the cursor and you can see the changes on the slide. Suppose you like this blue color, then click on this. That means this particular slide will be applied, or this particular background style will be applied on the slide. I hope this is clear. Let's move to the next point. Our next point is solid fills. So let us read out this whole paragraph. It means filling the entire background with a single color. Select the color by clicking on the drop down arrow of the color box. You can also edit the transparency of the background by adjusting the transparency. You can also use gradient texture and patterns for the background. So let us see how we can change the color of the background. Again, we will go on the same slide, this one. Again we have to click on which option? Background and style. On background and style, you can see there is a last option called format background. We have to click on this option, format background. I think it is clear till now. In format background, the first option is solid fill. You have to click on solid fill. Now you can see the color option here. Click on this option. Whichever the color you want, you can select it from here. Suppose I am selecting some another color like yellow, and you can see the color of the selected slide has been changed. Likewise, you can adjust the transparency from here itself. See, transparency means the color shading. See, if I am increasing the transparency, you can see the changes on the slide. If I am decreasing, again you can see the changes of the slide. So this is how you can change the solid fill, and you can make use of transparency with the help of background style.